Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey, just wanted to let you know the Mustang that you've been looking for, it's here. It's a V8, air-conditioned, power steering, power brakes, red, got nice GT features, and it's serviced, ready to drive. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, look at over 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, this Mustang's ready to go, and the top's down. Let's go for a spin. Mustang Restorations the gentleman spent $8,300 at Mustang Restorations to just go through the whole car. We have the receipts posted on our website, just a miscellaneous tune-up, rebuilt carb, front-end alignment. They inspected the car front to back because the gentleman that owned it wanted his wife to drive it, and he wanted to make sure it was safe and reliable. So that's what they did. Underneath the car is real solid. Just nice, clean, solid floors. Again, there's a list, the invoice. There's a bunch of miscellaneous things underneath that was done to the springs, to the fuel system. If you visit our website, you can read the invoice. I didn't memorize all of it, but it's a good, clean, solid underneath. Has dual exhaust, has the GT tips coming right through the valance. Has the GT wheels. The tires are in excellent shape. They look like they're new. Also has the GT fog lamps in front. It's an original red car, has the parchment interior, and it's restored very nicely. The body fit and finish is real nice. It's not perfect, a little tiny nick on the edge of the door here, but this is straight. It's all metal, it's smooth, there's no bubbles down here. The chrome is all shiny. This is just good, original. A little bit of wear up here where the top rubs, but the glass is crystal clear, the rubber is soft. This fits nice and square, it's all shiny. Nice new chrome. Said it has the GT lights. None of this is brand new. The chrome's got a little freckling on it here, some little spots here and there. So it's a really nice car. It looks like a one-year-old car is, I guess, the best way to put it. So not brand new, but really nice. Got the correct antenna. It's got the passenger door mirror. All that's in real nice shape. Door hangs real nice, doesn't drop, doesn't sag. Door jambs are clean. Weather strips are good. There is some chip in the paint right here. So again, very nice, but not brand new. The interior looks really nice. All nice, one color, not a mismatch. The boot, the upholstery, the armrest. All that's been replaced, the door panels, the dash pad, the metal's been painted. Has the factory center console, then it has this aftermarket console. It sits on top of that, and it's actually really nice. It has the padded armrest and cup holders. The interior lights all work, including at the back of the console. It has the factory radio. That big unit you see in there is the air conditioning unit. That is factory. It's how they came. I also didn't mention because I couldn't remember, but it does have power top. So you got power steering, power brakes, power top. It's going to be just an easy car to drive and use and enjoy. Kind of a no-brainer. Really nice motor compartment. This is exceptional. All the metal is really nice. It's painted a gloss black. Looks like they put in a lot of new bolts, new shocks. It's a Jasper crate engine. It's a 289 remanufactured engine, all painted nice blue, a complete air cleaner assembly with the stickers and the tube going up to the choke, the little metal clips on the exhaust manifolds. Everything's there. Everything's proper. The distributor, the coil bracket, the regulator looks new. So it's power steering, power brakes, and air. The squirters are hooked up. The radiator looks new. It's got the shroud. It's just all proper. It's got seat belts front and back for everyone. Nice carpets, nice floor mats. Now Chris at Mustang Restorations, I don't know how long he's been there, but it's been decades. He's a great guy. He knows Mustangs. He could build one in his sleep. That's who's gone through this car. So I trust that it's been looked at closely and whatever it needed has been done. This is all painted real nice. They replaced the sticker, the weather strip. It's got complete trunk liner kit with the tire cover, the bag for the jack. It all matches. So it does have the spare, the jack. Nice clean metal throughout here. Pictures of the top on our website. It's a white convertible top in real nice shape. The rubber's new. That door opens real nice too. So again, I said your Mustang's here. Isn't this what you wanted? It's got, checks the boxes of the options, the colors. It's dialed in. It's ready to go. I'll fire it up for you. Wipers work. Fog lights work, I hope. Motor runs smooth as can be. I mean, there's not a tick, not a knock, not a vibration, just smooth as can be. Has the original buck tag too. That's a tag over there that gives information about the car. And I said the fog lamps worked. Sometimes you have to have the headlights off to get them on or something goofy like that. Well, the fog lights aren't working, so we'll have to check those out. I thought they worked. So if you visit volocars.com, plenty of ways on there to contact our salesmen. They'll help answer any questions or concerns you have about the car. I just gave you my honest impression of it. But they'll help answer any of your questions. Also, with the whole process, the delivery, financing, paperwork, they'll assist with all of that. That's what they do every day. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.